He's altogether lovely. He's beautiful. He's amazing. He is a lion of the tribe of Judah. He is a king. He is a rock of ages. He is the Lord of the Lord and the kings of the king. He is a bread. He is a true vineyard. He is the Alpha and Omega, beginning and the end, first and the last. वही हमारा पास्ट है, वही हमारा प्रेजेंट है, वही हमारा भविष्य है. वो था, वो है, वही आने वाला है. वही हमारा पास्ट था, वही हमारा प्रेजेंट है. वो था, वो है, वही आने वाला.